In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress theme. As you can see, I'm using this theme right now, but I don't really like it. So I'm going to show you how to use custom themes or the ton of themes you can use. So go to your plugins and then you want to install starter templates. And what you first want to do, so follow these steps, go to appearance and then to themes. And you always want to use Astra. As you can see, I'm using Astra as well. This is very important, use Astra. Then go to plugins and hit add new. And now type in Astra as well. And as you can see, this is the plugin you want to use. Starter templates, Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg and Brizy templates. So you want to use that. And then you can go to your plugins and go to starter templates and hit see library. And as you can see, the theme I'm using right now is this one. So let's say I want to use this one. You just hit the theme, then hit import complete site or import home template. So for now, let's say import home template, then just import it. Now it's going to import. So that may take a few minutes if you use import complete site, because it can take a couple of minutes for installing all the plugins and themes. Now hit view page, and as you can see, this is the theme now. So this is a better theme in my opinion. You can enable this as homepage by going to the settings and then go to reading. And as you can see, the homepage, you can set it to this page if you want to. So if this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.